Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show how I mix my own alcohol inks using Bic markers. These are very similar to Sharpie markers, and I sometimes use those as well. I start by removing the felt insert in 3 markers, cutting them in half and adding them to alcohol in a container with a lid. Just pull the plastic end off the back of the marker and the insert will come out. Usually I add about 10 milliliters per marker, and I find 3 markers and 30 milliliters of alcohol to be a good ratio, and it easily fits in the dropper bottles I use. If you want a stronger color, try 3 markers and 20 milliliters of alcohol, or for a paler color, 30 to 40 milliliters of alcohol. For this example, I'm using the Blue Skies color of Bic markers, and about 20 milliliters of alcohol. I do wear a respirator when doing this, as it'll start to evaporate into the air, and you don't want to be breathing that in. I let it soak overnight, then use a funnel to pour it into plastic dropper bottles. And you can find these bottles on Amazon. Homemade alcohol inks are cheaper than the Ranger brand I sometimes use, and you can mix and match markers to create your own custom colors. So just as a comparison, in Canadian dollars, a bottle of Ranger inks in a 3-pack costs about $8 each, and these homemade ones using 3 markers, alcohol, and a bottle cost about $5. If you can get these markers on sale, I got these ones about half price, then the cost is only maybe $3.25 a bottle. And this is what it should look like after it has soaked overnight. Sometimes I'll let it soak a bit longer if I feel like the pigment hasn't been dissolved long enough. Then I remove the marker pieces and pour it into my dropper bottle. I would recommend all the Bic colors except the aqua. There's something weird with that pigment. It'll separate into flakes and bits when I use it on my ceramic tile. No other color has done that, just the aqua. And another tip is try and make the least amount of cuts into the felt insert so you don't get flecks of felt bits in your ink. And that's it. It's pretty simple, and it can be cheaper than buying the brand name alcohol ink. Let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.